I've been told time and time again that you've got to get to events, that's where the magic happens. And I used to think that those events were not for me. You know, too expensive, too far. Yet, this is the Pacific Ocean. I'm half a world away from home.
My first day, my first conversations on Sunday were golden. That alone, my first day here, made the entire trip worthwhile.
I came here last week. I didn't know anyone in person, and now I have a big family.
When you go up and you approach someone, depending on, regardless of what level they're at, they are so willing to help you out. They want you to succeed, whether they're on your team or not. We are one big group and we're always trying to help each other out. So I've seen that consistently with this company.
I expected to learn a lot down here, and I did, but what I didn't expect was how much fun we'd have doing it.
It's been an awesome event. The knowledge here has just been amazing. My biggest takeaway, I think, throughout the entire event was the family atmosphere that exists here within the leadership, and it's so real, it's so genuine, it flows down through to everybody.
And that's what this is all about. Coming to this event with Now Lifestyle has changed my value system.
Everybody's ideas are listened to, and people really care about just helping you succeed.
Everything from technical learning to involving communication and promoting the business and becoming your own person in this business. You're an individual, but you're part of this great team.
In the past week, it's literally blown me away just being able to network with 6, 7, 8-figure earners. You can watch all the videos you want. You can watch all the trainings, all the videos, all the webinars, and it's not the same as shaking hands with somebody that's on your team, somebody that you look up to, or just a group of people that are there to support you and help you out. So get to the next event, do whatever you can, and it will be worth you, I promise.